starting to rain, so I'm gonna take a break. So I wanted to work out in the yard today, but it's a little rainy, so I didn't want to dig in the mud, so I'm going to be digging up some of the grass to stay out of the mud a little bit. So what I'm doing here is I'm just cutting the grass with the shovel and then picking it up and putting it into the wheelbarrow. The reason I'm doing it this way is because when I did drain tile for the yard, or the French drain, I was able to put the grass back, and then so after a couple loads I realized, well, I'm not putting this grass back, so I'll just dig it out in smaller chunks, as you can see here. So I'm just digging it out. At this point the ground is fairly wet, so it's easy to cut through, but it is heavier. And my goal for the day was just to clear out all of the grass up until the concrete. Now you can see the line in the grass that's going around, and that's all that grass is eventually coming out as well. As the sun overhead is moving, I'm working more and more in the shadow. This job took me most of the day. I think it was on a Saturday when I did this. I was able to dig quite a bit because my wife was home to help watch the kids. Normally I can only put in 1 to 2 hours on a project during nap time when the little ones are asleep. But on weekends is when I can get most of my work done. So the goal again is to dig down at least 9.5 inches, so that we can put gravel down, and then sand, and then pavers on top. And then once the pavers are in, then we can get the polymeric sand to lock everything in place. Some people use just regular sand, and then they have to refill the sand. The polymeric sand actually bonds together, kind of like concrete. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked watching this and want to stay up to date on this project and other projects that I'm working on, go ahead and like and subscribe, and make sure your notifications are turned on so you know when I post a new video. Thanks for watching.